Hi, welcome back to Circuits with Angel. Today we'll be looking at this clock, which you saw for a moment in the 555 timer video. It looks really complicated, but it's really not. Everyone is always asking me, can you build something useful or practical with electronics? And I thought it would be pretty cool and practical if I made a clock for Canada's national debt interest payment. Just interest from the moment you turn it on. Its main working component is the 555, which sends signals repeatedly here to the decade counter, and this one stops the 555 below from sending signals, which makes it pause. And this one will let it start sending signals again after you press pause. Then these are the decade counters. They're all hooked up the same way, just repeating, because they all do the exact same thing. They get power, and every signal they get makes the number change to the next. And when it reaches past 9, it makes a signal to the other one behind it to go forward 1. And the LED display here is made with an Arduino and a few wires. All I had to do was download 2 Arduino libraries and type in what I wanted it to say, and uploaded it to the Arduino, and now it says that. I turn off the scrolling display after I know it works because sometimes it's a bit bright for my eyes. You can leave the circuit going on for however long you want, and you can pause, resume, and stop it when you want, whenever. Now you may be wondering, how do I know that it goes at this speed? I worked through a system of trial and error. After I found the national debt interest per year, which is 30,872,725,968 at the time of this recording. I found it on commodity.com/data/Canada/debt-clock if you want to know. I'll put in the description of this video. I then divided by 12 for 1 month in a year, then 30 for 1 day in a month, and then 24 for an hour in a day. And started the clock and moved the resistor value until it became the same as the calculation in 1 hour. It may be off by about 10 or so, but that's as close as you can get it with so much current in this circuit. It's a pretty cool and neat science demonstration. If you really want to see it work like it's supposed to, you just leave it on for a week or a month, and it can be quite shocking. Now I'll leave it on for a bit to show you how fast it's going. That's money gone. Remember, I'm calculating Canada's national debt interest per second. This is pretty amazing, considering how it's only made with 555s and decade counters. If you are interested in learning more about electronics, you can go check out my channel, where I have videos explaining how every component we use in this circuit works. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.